Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel tab, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. Of course, you can type it here in the search area or scroll, whatever. And after finding, simply tap on it, and let me pick maybe okay, maybe German. Let's tap on it and pick the region. And as you can see, in my case, the German language immediately appeared on the second position, and which simply means that the English is still a main one. So we have to reorder the languages. Just tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the German in my case. Let me do it again. Tap on it, hold it and drag it to the first position. Of course, if you want to, we can remove the languages from this list just by tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the remove. Now let's mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Let's tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.